And the stress of the holidays is very real for a lot of people. And as we've been doing all week long, we're putting a spotlight tonight on mental health.
Over in Larimer County, suicide rates have been dropping since about 2019. That's even though Colorado has one of the highest rates in the nation.
Well, Denver 7's Adria Irahita shows us how that county's been able to buck the trend, but also why that approach may soon have to change.
On this wall, a beacon of hope.
We are very excited about this mural. This was a project with youth, asking them what they wanted to see in our community.
Just one of the many projects led by the Alliance for Suicide Prevention of Larimer County, working to prevent suicide through outreach, support, and education.
Back in 2015, we lost two 11-year-olds to suicide, and that really rocked our community. And a small group of people started to gather and say, what are we going to do about this?
In 2019, the nonprofit received a federal grant when it joined the Colorado National Collaborative for Suicide Prevention.
I think it was imperative because we started working across systems and really started to collaborate.
Since then, suicides in Larimer County dropped from 85 in 2018 to 61 in 2023.
Right now, that funding pays for about a third of our entire operating budget. It pays 90% salaries, and then 10% goes to programmatic things. So every dollar is being spent, given right back to the community. And this is a 5-year grant.
But that funding expires in August.
And without it, we know that things get dropped, programs get dropped. We have to pivot and shift the way that we're doing things. And we've seen so much success right now that we are just avidly seeking funding in all the places we can.
Because as Kim Moeller tells me, if they've been able to save this many lives so far,
there's no reason that we can't cut it in half. There's no reason that that's not possible if we continue to do the work that we're doing, which is why it's so crucial that we find funding to continue this work, because we are literally saving lives.
In Larimer County, Adria Irahita, Denver 7.